Today we are going to tell you the most important chapters from your ICSE chemistry exam that is today going to be held on, yes, day after tomorrow. So, coming to your book, I will suggest you the most important chapters, most important places, and most important numericals that you should learn with practicing. So, first open your book, periodic table. Here, the modern periodic table mostly stated that the physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic functions of atomic number. This is very important. Okay, physical and chemical properties of element are periodic function at the atomic number. Very important from your this portion. Next is your periodic table. I will give you a very fast one short explanation. Acha. Come down a group, electropositivity increases across a period, electronegativity increases. Fluorine is the most electronegative element, and in group 3, a period 3, chlorine is the most electronegative. Argon, neon, these are yes, noble gases, and these are alkaline earth metals, and this is inert gases. Halogens is chlorine, fluorine, these are halogens. Now these are the families you should study. Match the following can come: group 1, group 2, group 3. Which family? Group 14 is carbon family, because the family starts with the respective element, that is carbon, so it is known as carbon family. Group 18 is also known as zero group, noble gases or inert gases. These elements have the outermost shell complete due to stable electronic configuration. They hardly react with the other elements. Okay, due to stable electronic configuration, what is the cause? Acha. Next is what periodicity. What is periodicity? A period is this box is very important. Okay, properties that appear at regular intervals or in which the gradual variation, increase or decrease, are called periodic properties. Very important. Okay, cause of period recurrence of similar electronic configuration, that is having the same number of electrons in outermost orbit. Very important. Orbits, yes, around a nucleus is called orbits. Down a group, this thing all you have to learn. Now number of shells down a bottom increases and across the period decreases. Valence denotes the combining capacity of atomic element. On moving down a group, number of electrons remains the same across the period. Across across a period, valence element up to group 14 where it becomes 4, and then decreases in group 17 it becomes 1. This you should learn. Very important things. Achha, this box, valence bond of electrons and all. These things you should learn. Boxes here, number of shells, metallic character. Down a group, metallic character increases. Across a period, metallic character decreases. And then trends and all these non-metallic character, chemical reactivity, and moving left to right, chemical reactivity first decrease then increase. Silicon is the most least reactive element. Yes, least reactive. You see, silicon is least reactive. Down a group, most reactive element is group 1. Down a group decreases. Melting point, boiling point, least important, may come, not come. Achha, then next is definition of ionization energy. How it is measured in kilojoule mole per mole. Atomic size, what is electron affinity definition with equation also. Then is trends in electronegativity across a period. Then these things, ionization potential. What is the ionization potential? That is a charge that released while converting a neutral gaseous isolated atom into a yes positively charged ion is called electronic ionization potential with equation you should learn. Okay, next is chemical bonding. Who can do it properly, you should attempt. Then is KLMNP, what are the shells, type of shells. Okay, then what is cause of chemical combination, elements, cause of chemical combination, what is the cause, chemical bond, three types of bonds: dative bond, transport of ionic bond, molecular bond, and electrovariant or ionic bond. Metallic anion, Na minus E minus Cl plus E minus Cl. Cation anion is formed oppositely formed. Bonds formed between metals and nonmetals are electrovalent or ionic. What are the yes, bond formed between metal and non-metal are electrovalent. Okay, next is the sodium chloride. This explanation you should go through. Once you should go through electronic configuration, then is this comparison with properties of these all. These diagrams very important. From here, magnesium chloride, that's dot structure, dot diagram, orbital structure, and all. And next, coming to next page, molecular bond, this type of redox reaction, all you should learn, you should go through. Next, please come to, and this chart, very very important chart, properties and composition of electrovalent and covalent compound, very important chart, you should learn. Acid, bases and salt. What is acid? Acidus, from the acidus it has developed. What is acid? A hydrogen commonly all acid. They are weak acid, organic acids, H2CO3, examples of inorganic acid. These all things you should learn, go through. Then is the effect on skin, they change reactions. Here ZNS plus 2 HCl and all this. What is the use of the boric acid, antiseptic bases, that are metal oxide hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. Acidity of base, a hydroxide can produce per molecule of the base. Caustic soda, why, how we SOP solution form. Caustic soda, caustic potash are strong alkalis. We know that the alkalis depend on skin that is oily, fatty, contain oil in the form of fat. So when caustic soda, that is soap, is rubbed against it, it forms a soapy solution. The most important thing is pH scale. pH scale 1 to 6 is acidic, then 7 is neutral, then from 8 to 14 is alkaline. Alkaline nature increases, and this side acidic nature increases. So please, pH scale is very important from your this portion. Then is salt. What is a salt? The reactions of them. This chart very important. This chart, methods of preparation of salt, the combination, and next laboratory preparations and all this reaction. Only you go and see, just see. Yes, reaction between them. What is neutralization? What is neutralization? Next is next is the analytical chemistry. All the equations you should learn, all the equations of these 2 pages, very important. Tetramine copper 2 sulfate, copper hydroxide, tetramine copper 2 sulfate, this thing, CuNH3 whole 4 SO4. Then these you should go through once. Mole concept and stoichiometry, I will tell you the important types of sum, like that only this is done. Okay, open page number 71, example 4. This type of sum can come, 80% chance is there. Example 4 of page number 71, mark it. Next, come to page number 78. Okay, example number 8, mark it. Next, come to empirical formula. Empirical formula, mark example number 7. Example number 7, this thing, and example number 9, this will come, this type of will come. Then coming to equation based sums, example number 1. Okay, next, electrolysis, differentiate what is electrolysis. Electrolyte voltmeter is go through, reading through. Then differentiate between cation and anion, any two you should learn. There is difference of addition is concept, modern theories. Mass of substrate produced is directly proportional to a particular axis. Faraday's law of electrolysis, redox reaction, why give reason can come, this will learn. Then this chart will learn why sodium chloride is non-conductor. Differentiate will learn any two. Here decreasing order of these active electrons, decreasing order. This inert active electron, active like CuNiAg, if you take electrolyte reaction and product from different. These all the reaction you should go through and memorize. All the reaction from anywhere question can come. Then what is electrographic refining? Why silver nitrate is used instead of why it is not used directly. These you should learn how any AgC and whole twice is prepared. And most of the very important thing is what is the condition for lighting. Lighting is a low current for a longer time it should be used. Not this article should be duly, it is not a condition. Okay, this is the thing that you should do. A low current for longer time should be, this is the condition for electrolysis, and higher current causes uneven deposition, longer time, and low current initiate thicker uniform deposition. Smooth deposition causes the low current. Metallurgy, this what is the first metal used by man is copper. Zinc blende, carnallite, flux, what are minerals, ore, flux. The diffusible product has formed as a result of reaction between impurities, artificial impurities, and flux is known is formed this lag. Then is what is metallurgy? What is the pulverization, also kind of fine powder into jaw crusher ball mills, pulverized roasting of ore. Which ore addressed by which process? Oxide of iron and tin is hydraulic portion or gravity separation. Magnetic separation is Fe2O3, SNO2. or Fe2O3 content, SNO2 content in between Fe3O4. So this is froth flotation. Sulfide ores are done usually. Percent mortality. Next is during roasting, moisture is removed. Is what is roasting? This you should learn. Sorry, I stuck it up mistakenly, but it is there. So you should learn this differential between roasting and sulfide ores, calcination, anything. Here aluminum is the most amount all the reaction you should learn. Here box you should learn, and here all the equation, and here also L minus C minus Lc plus L plus C plus T minus Lc. What is alloy? Alloy definition. What is amalgam? What is dental amalgam? Composition you should learn, very important. Composition, all composition can come, and from here bell metal, solder, type metal, and nichrome, very important. In heater nichrome is used. Next is study of compound hydrogen chloride, preparation, what are the reactants, orbit diagram, collection, how it is collected, what is the reaction with ammonia, then fountain experiment, why it extinguishes a candle when it's poured in a jar, hydrogen chloride, precaution, prevention, anti-suction device, this function. Then industrial uses and MnO2 4HCl, these four reactions, and these the aqua regia, very important, and here PbNO3, these two whole chart you should learn. Next, ammonia reactant, this four equation, any two, if you forget one you write another. Reactants, excess, whatever, how it is collected, Bd, LAN plus CH2, this how it is prepared, costly process, this is the costly process, they will ask that equation. They can ask the costly process by which ammonia is prepared, so you will write Mg3N2 plus CH3 MgO whole plus 2NH4, 2NH3. Next is this, okay, this chart is very important, physical properties of ammonia. Next is this, yes, 2NO2 so 2 observations, these observations very important, observation. Then these when excess of chlorine and excess of ammonia, whole is very important. K2HgI4 Nessler's reagent, this chart is very important. And this also explosive. Now what is the explosive using NH4NO3, ammonium carbonate, and ammonium chloride using dry cells, what the uses you should learn. Then nitric acid, dry air, CO2 bubble through the NO2, that is why aero card is removed, the later turns colorless. Reactants, KNO3 plus HSO4 plus HNO3, this you should learn. Then is the higher ratio where why it is used, quartz, acid and tactile help preserving NO2 uniformly. Then is 4NO2 plus 2H2O2, 4 NH3, this equation very important. Decomposition of HNO3, nitric acid, what is the conditions, blue litmus red, methyl orange pink, phenolphthalein colorless. Then কি বলে ওই যে nitroso-ferrous sulfate preparation, very important reaction you should learn. Then sulfuric acid is known as green vitriol, king of chemicals. Why it is known as king of chemicals? All the reactions, summary of contact process, order, hydrogenol, dilution of H2SO4, what is the happen when is reacted with cane sugar, and this C plus H2SO4, this reaction should learn. Sorry, this is cancelled. Here diluted concentrated acid is there, we should learn. And here whatever. So next is why is water not converted to directly to why reason, sulfuric acid on heating with copper evolve, sulfur dioxide, what property of sulfuric acid, and organic chemistry, very important chapter for you. Vital force theory, Friedrich Wöhler, isomerism. What is isomerism? Isomerism is that have same molecular different formula. All the things you should go through, and propylene, ethylene, butylene, pentylene, and all things. CSE2 plus CH2, preparation of this acetylene. Okay, this much is there. I suggest you do the chapters carboxylic acid and all. This whole is separate except test is cancelled. Thanks for watching the streaming. If it helped you, subscribe our channel, like the video. Thanks.